So let's say you're in a blank template here or a blank presentation here in Google Slide and you decide that you want to use templates. There's two ways where you can quickly import templates. Once you're inside, you will see a panel here on the right hand side that you can go ahead and you can quickly check those different templates. And just in case you're not able to see this, in case it's hidden, for example, it's closed like that, you can quickly find those templates here on the right hand side. So you look for these options here, and one of them will say template. In fact, the first one will say template, the second one will say fill-in blocks, while the third one will say stock and web, and you have, for example, drive and photos. So you want to click on the templates here, and it's going to open up the right hand side for different templates, and you can quickly select a template and you can insert the slides for the template. Now, the second way how you can actually do this is by going to file on the upper left hand side, and you will have the new option and you will have from template gallery. You can click on that and it's going to open up the template gallery where you can simply choose a template, simply click on the template, and it's going to quickly open up the template for you within Google Slides, and you can work your way from here and make all the changes, customize it. It's fully customizable, and that's all that you have to do, guys. Very easy and very simple.